How to add someone on Snapchat without saying edit by search. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So in order to add a friend, you have to tap on the profile with plus icon which is in the right upper corner. So from here you can see the quick add and all. You can also add a person by tapping on the search bar and searching the name for it. For example, let's search for a random person. So here there are various person, and if you tap on add, then it will be shown that you have added them by searching. If you don't want to show that, then you can simply tap on their profile, and after that you can tap on add option, from where they won't be able to know that you have added them by searching. And the next method is you can simply memorize the username of the person, and from here you can ask for someone to send the username of them, and from there you can click and add the person, and it will be displayed that you have added them by the mentions. And by following these two steps you can add someone on Snapchat without saying edit by search. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching till the end.